Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we've got a spicy showdown between two titans of the 3D printing world, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS on my left and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo on my right. Buckle up because it's about to get nerdy and a little bit dirty. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes or breaks our hearts and wallets: the price. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS comes in at a cool $375. Not bad for a printer that can make you feel like a mini Michelangelo, right? But hold on to your filaments, because the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo comes in at just $279. That's almost $100 less. It's like finding out your favorite pizza place is having a 50% off sale. You know you're gonna order extra cheese. Alright, let's get into the nitty-gritty: resolution and speed. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS boasts the highest resolution on the market at 22 micrometers. That's right, folks. This thing prints so detailed, you could probably 3D print a tiny Mona Lisa and see her smirk. Meanwhile, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is all about speed. This bad boy can print up to 250 millimeters per second. That's faster than you can say, "I should have bought this yesterday." And with a recommended speed of 150 millimeters per second, it's like having a 3D printing Usain Bolt in your living room. Now, let's talk print quality. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS promises smooth surfaces with up to 50% less layer lines. It's like the skincare routine you never knew your 3D prints needed. Say goodbye to those pesky layer lines and hello to a silky smooth finish. On the flip side, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo uses linear propulsion and input shaping functions to reduce spillage and print resonance. Translation: it prints smoother and clearer model details, even for newbies. It's like giving a toddler a paintbrush and getting a Picasso. Speaking of newbies, the Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is touted as the best entry-level printer for beginners. It's simple, easy to operate, and compatible with most slicers. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Just plug and print. But wait, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo isn't backing down. It features LeveIQ 2.0 automatic leveling, making it a breeze to set up and start printing. And with excellent customer service, it's like having a 3D printing guardian angel on speed dial. When it comes to online reviews, both printers have their fans and critics. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS is praised for its high resolution and smooth print. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is celebrated for its speed and user-friendly features, though some users noted issues with print quality and noise levels. So there you have it, folks. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 8KS with its mind-blowing resolution, and the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo with its lightning-fast speed and user-friendly features. Which one will you choose? The Michelangelo or the Usain Bolt of 3D printers? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more smart buying tips. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.